tuned. Hey guys, this is Gaming with the Mobile Boat Guys. Today we're going to be doing a 22-foot Cobalt, dealing with light to medium oxidation. Kind of light, it's a blue hole, but it is in there, the oxidation. And so today we're going to be working our magic and doing a combination of a few different polishing techniques on this in order to get this blue back to a healthy state. So you're just kind of coming in close so you can see what we're dealing with here. See that oxidation around the lettering.